Hello student, now we are starting our exercise 1.2. So before we starting your exercise 1.2, we have to know about the face value and place value. So what is face value and what is place value? First we have to know about the face value. Face value is the name of the number, or we can say itself. Means to say किसी भी डिजिट की फेस वैल्यू वो खुद ही होती है itself. Okay. And what is place value? Place value, a digit we get when we multiply digit and its place. Place value किसी भी digit की place value known करने के लिए we have to know about the in which place a digit is. जिस भी place पे वो digit है उसकी place and वो digit, उन दोनों का multiplication करने से जो हमारे पास आंसर आता है that is place value. Easy. We can understand that by an example. This is your example. The number given you 41,625, right? So we know that 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 6 is in hundred place, 1 is in thousand place, and 4 is in 10,000 place. And you can see also ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000, right? So what is the face value of 5? 5 की face value 5 itself, 2 की face value 2 itself, 6 की face value 6 itself, 1000 face value is 1 itself, and 4 face value is 4 itself. Now we come to the place value. For we know the place value of the digit, we just have to know the digit. So what we take the 4 is there, and 4 is in which place? 10,000 place. So we have 4 and the place is 10,000. So 4 multiplied by 10,000, 40,000. So what is the place value of 4 is 40,000. Now next we have 1 itself, and in which place it is? 1,000. So we multiply by 1,000, 1,000. Next 6 itself, and it in which place? 100. So multiply by 100, 600. The next we have 2, and in which place? Tens. So 2 multiply by 10, 20. Same for the 5. Now once we don't have any 0, so we multiply by 1, 5. Easy. Now we look at your first question. Write the place value and face value of each digit in the following numbers. Okay, so you just have to know the face value or place value of each digit. This is your first number. You have to know फेस वैल्यू एंड प्लेस वैल्यू बोथ फॉर ईच डिजिट. इन सारे डिजिट्स के लिए आपको फेस वैल्यू एंड प्लेस वैल्यू दोनों फाइंड आउट करनी है, राइट? ओके, सो वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड योर फर्स्ट 21,432. 21,432. Okay, so first we write down the face value and next place value. So let's take the first one, 2. So what is the face value of 2 itself? So 2. Now come to the place value, the digit itself. The digit itself and place, ones place के लिए we can use 1, so 2. Now the next one, 3. What is the face value of 3? 3 itself and 3 itself, and in which place? Tens. So multiply by 10, 30. Next 4. What is the face value of 4? 4 itself and place value itself 4, and in which place? Ones, tens, 100. So multiply by 100, 400. Next 1. What is the face value of 1 itself? Means 1 digit 1 itself, and in which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So multiply by 1,000. So we have 1,000. Next 2. What is the face value of 2? Itself 2 and itself 2, and in which place is this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So multiply by 10,000, so 20,000. This is the face value and this is the place value. Easy. Now what you have to do? You have to do all of the question like this. This is your homework, you have to do it yourself. Now we come to your question number 2. Okay, write the place value and face value of underlying digit. Same you have to do. What you have to find out? Face value and place value both of underlying digit. So this is your underlying digit. So first we have to know the face value. What is the face value of 2 itself? So face value is 2. Okay, now we have to know the place value. So there is 2. So 2 is in which place? Ones, tens, right? In tens place. So 2 multiplied by 10, we got 20. Easy. Let's do one more question. Let's do this one. 7. What is the face value of 7? 7 itself. Now ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So we multiply by 10,000. 7 multiply by 10,000. What we got? 70,000. Easy. The remaining question you have to do it yourself. Now we move on your next question, which is question number 3. Choose the numbers in which the place value of 6 is 100. Now you have to find out which numbers have 6 is as 600. You have to find out कि इन सारे नंबर्स में से ऐसे कौन से नंबर्स हैं जिनमें 6 की प्लेस वैल्यू 600 है, राइट? सो वी कम टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 4263. Now there is 6 ones, tens. 6 is in tens place. So what is the place value of 6? 60. So this is place value 600? No. So this is not the one. Now come to the next one. There is 6 ones, tens and 100. So what is face value of 6? 600. Is this 600? Is this 600? Right. So it is. Now next, 8163. Ones, tens. So what is the face value of 6? 60. 60 is not 600, so it is not. Now next, 6 ones, tens and 100. So place value of 6 is 600. It is 600? Yes. Next, there is 6 ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So place value of 6, 6000. It is 600? No, so it is not. Next, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So we have 60,000. It is not 600. Cross. Now next, ones, tens and 100. So place value 600. Right. Next, there is 6 ones, tens and 100. So 600. Right. Next, write the place value of the digit shown against the pair of numbers. Also mention some same or different. Okay, write the place value of the digit shown. So you just have to write the place value for both. Against the pair of numbers, also mention same or different. So just look at the first one. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So place value 6000. Ones, tens and 100. So place value 600. It is same? No, different. So you have to write different. Just like that. So first we come to the 3. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. 3 multiply 10,000, 30,000. Next, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It's also 30,000. It's same. So you have to write down same. Next, ones, tens, 100. So 600. Next, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So we have 60,000. Is this same? No, it's different. So you have to write different. The remaining question you have to do it yourself.